Okay, in the previous class, I explained this problem. This is a 15 marks question. And attendance day by day decreasing. What is your problem? Huh? I'm taking attendance in the Zoom app class and also in the YouTube. How many students have gone through the YouTube? Please, you like that video, then I'll give you the attendance. Every day you go through the video and like the video. If you are unable to join the class because of internet problem or any problem, okay, 24 hours YouTube is for you people. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ 24 ತಾಸು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಓಪನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. 24 ತಾಸನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಟೀಟ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ 8 ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಅದಾವು, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾರು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೀ ಟೈಮ್ನಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅಂತೂ ನಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಟೀಟ ಆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. You save the YouTube link that will useful for your further information. Okay, and this problem I explained in the previous class, and you told the items coming under the debit side and credit side. Once again you tell me items coming on debit side and credit side. Stock on 31st 12, branch account debit or credit?
Credit side.
Credit side. Stock 1/1/1986.
Debit side.
Then debtors 1/1/86.
Debit side.
Then debtors 31st 12/86. Debtors on 31st 12/86.
Credit side.
Then goods sent to branch. Goods sent to branch. Branch account debit
Debit
or credit?
side.
Huh?
Debit side.
Debit side. Then cash sale remitted to head office. Cash sale comes under the which head?
Credit side of bank account.
Credit side, bank account. Next, cash collection.
Credit
Cash-
side.
Credit side under the bank. Okay. Goods returned by branch.
Credit side.
Credit side. Cash sent to branch for expense.
Debit side.
Debit side.
Debit side 2 item. PT cash 1/1/86.
Debit side.
Debit side.
PT cash 31st 12/86.
Credit side.
Okay.
Credit side.
Now we open the account. We open the account.
Credit side.
Okay. Credit side. Now you see this problem. Solution. Branch account, particular amount. Okay. First item in the debit side is 2 balance brought down. In the 2 balance brought down, there are 3 items. One is opening stock, 75,000. Second is debtors, 50,000. Third is PT cash, 100. Like this, you write the opening balance, opening date balances. Okay. Next, you have to write the total in the amount column. 2 balance brought down, 1,25,100. First item completed. This is the first item. Okay. Then second item. What is second item? Okay, anyone tell me? Second item in the branch account.
Goods sent to branch.
Goods sent to branch. Amount is 3 lakh. Third item.
Cash or bank.
To cash. Under that, you have to take all the items. The items
Salary
are
and rent.
salary
Salary
and
and rent.
Okay, total is 10,000.
10,000.
One more item comes on the debit side, that is RDD. One more is RDD. RDD is not in the problem. Come to the credit side. Credit side first item.
By bank.
Buy bank. Under the buy bank, what are the items?
Cash sales and cash collected from debtors.
Cash sale 1 lakh. Collection 1,40,000. Then total it is 2,40,000. Second item.
Goods returned by branch.
Goods returned by branch is recorded as buy goods into branch. Amount is 30,000. Next item. Third item. What is the third item on the credit side?
Closing balance.
Before closing balance, one more item I told. Abnormal loss. Remember this. Abnormal loss. Okay. Then fourth item is closing stock. What are the closing stock items? Closing balances. Closing balances are there. First is stock.
Stock.
Second is
Stock.
debtors.
Debtors.
Then third
Petty
is
cash. Petty cash.
cash. Take the total. Total is 1,95,100. Clear? Very simple. Then you take the total. Total is 4,65,100. 4,65,100. Then difference is general P&L account. General P&L account is 30,000. This is called as profit. Okay. This is called as profit. Any doubt? In this
No.
account, there is no necessity of debtors account. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ debtors account ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಬೀಳಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ debtors requirements are fulfilled. Debtors requirements, all the debtors requirements are fulfilled. Therefore there is no need of debtors account. Debtors opening is given in the problem. Collection is given in the problem. Closing balance is given in the problem. If these three items are given in the problem, debtors account is not essential. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟು debtors account ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಬೀಳುಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಮೂರು ಐಟಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದ್ದು debtors account ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. If these three items are not given in the problem, you open the debtors account. You open the debtors account. Clear? Then regarding petty cash also, petty cash opening balance, then petty cash balance, closing balance are given. Opening is 100, closing is 100. If there is a difference in this, if there is a difference, you have to ascertain that. Remember this. Two items are not given. Cash collected, cash given. 100 is balance, 100 is balance. There is no change. Therefore, I will not explain that petty cash. Whenever that point comes, I will explain it. Remember this. Okay. Then come to the next problem. Problem number 3. You see this problem. Is it clear?
No, sir.
No, wait just a minute. I will try to make it. Now, in just a minute, I'll read it.
Yes, sir.
I'll read it and you try to understand the problem. Swastik Limited opened a branch at Belgaum on 1/4/1990. Branch is at Belgaum on 1/4/1990. From the following particulars, prepare branch account. They asked to prepare branch account and find out the profit or loss. Okay. This is very simple problem. You solve it. First item is goods sent to branch. Goods sent to branch comes on debit side or credit side? Branch account.
Debit side.
Debit side.
Debit side.
Then cash remitted to branch. Remitted means given.
Debit.
Cash paid to branch for
Debit
expense.
side.
Debit side. Then cash sale.
Credit side.
Closing stock.
Credit side.
Credit side.
Credit side.
Okay, in this problem, the items coming on debit side are, one is goods sent to branch. Another is cash sent to branch. Okay. What is the total of this? Cash sent to branch and goods sent to branch total. Cash sent to branch total 5,000, 1,200, 800. Total is given in the problem itself. But again, you don't take total.
47,000.
47,000.
47,000 is the debit side total. Okay. Then what are the items coming in the debit credit side? Credit side items are cash
Cash
sales,
sales per branch.
closing stock. Then what is the total of credit side?
60,000.
60,000. Okay. Credit side total 60,000, debit side total 47,000. Then tell me what is the profit?
13,000.
13,000. Clear? This is a 5 marks question. This is a 5 marks question. You solve this problem in your home. Okay. Next, you see the example number 4 in the from the Khadkol book. You see the example, this one. From the following particulars relating to super branch for the year ending 31st/12/1990. Prepare branch account, goods sent to branch account. Goods sent to branch account is very simple. I'll tell you how to prepare it. Then branch debtors account in the books of head office. They asked to prepare 3 accounts. One is branch account. Second is goods sent to branch account. First account is branch account. They asked to prepare branch account. Second account is goods sent to branch account. Third is branch debtors account. These are the 3 accounts they asked to prepare. Okay. Three accounts they are asked to prepare. Then you tell me items coming under branch account and branch debtors account one by one. Stock. First item is stock. On one.
Branch account debit side.
Branch account debit side. First item. Then second item. Branch debtors account
Debtors.
1190. Yes, come on, tell me.
Debtors account debit side.
Debtors account debit side. Then
Branch account debit side.
only branch account debit side or only debtors account debit side? One is telling
Both the
branch
sides.
account debit side.
Both the sides, sir.
Both the sides.
Both
the
the
side.
account. Both the account. Okay. Debtors account debit side, branch account debit side. PT cash 1190.
Branch account debit side.
PT cash account debit side. Okay. Then goods sent to branch.
Branch account debit side.
Cash sale.
Branch account credit side.
Branch account credit side. Credit sale.
Debtors account debit side.
Debtors account debit side. Cash received from debtors.
Debtors account credit side. And debtors account credit side.
Debtors account credit side. Then
Branch account credit side.
branch account credit side. Very good. Next, cash sent to branch for expense.
Debit
Rent,
side, branch account.
salary, PT cash.
Branch account debit side.
Branch account debit side. Okay. Next, stock on 31st 12/90.
Branch account
credit side.
Petty cash 31st 12/90.
Branch account credit side.
side and petty
Branch
cash account.
credit side. Okay. Then goods returned by branch.
Branch account credit side.
Branch account credit side. Okay. And now you are perfect. You are perfect in the branch account. Okay, now we prepare the account. This is the branch account. In the branch account, particular amount. First is to balance brought down. Stock is there. Okay. Debtors is there. PT cash is there. You take 3 items. Total is 13,620. Clear? First item clear. Second item, goods sent to branch. 24,800. Sorry, 28,400. Then third item is to bank. Under that, salary, rent, PT cash. Is there PT cash? Wait, I'll see. First item is clear. Second item is clear. Third item, bank. Under the bank, salary is there. Rent is there. PT cash is there. These are the 3 items in the under the bank. Total is 9,000. Clear? Totally it is 9,000. Then come to the credit side. First item is bank. Under that bank, one is cash sale, another is credit sale. Totally 53,700. 53,700 is the total. Okay, 53,700 total. Second item, goods sent to branch. This is return by branch, 800. Then closing balances are stock, debtors, then PT cash. Okay. Debtors 7,200 I have recorded here. Is it in the problem? This is not given in the problem. Remember this. Debtors is not in the problem. Closing balance of debtors is not in the problem. They in the problem 7,200 is not. Remember this. Okay. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ಮತ್ ಮ್ಯಾಲಿನ ಇದಾವ ಈ ಐಟಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಜ್ಞಾನ
Debtors account.
This is taken from the debtors account. Remember this. Okay. If any missing information is there, then you prepare the account. Okay. Whatever opening balance is you taken here. Opening balance is whatever you taken, that must come in the closing balance. Stock, debtors, PT cash. Opening 3 items, closing must be 3 items. Seriya ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತು opening ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಬರೋದು closing ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. Opening 3 ಇದ್ರೆ closing 3 ಇರಬೇಕು. If there are closing 3, opening must be 3. 3 items. 3 items in the opening, 3 items in the closing. If closing 3 are there, opening must be 3. There should not be change. Opening 2, closing 3. Don't write like this. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Opening ದಾಗ 3 ಐಟಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, closing ದಾಗ 3 ಐಟಮ್ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೆ ಹುಡುಕಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. This is the point you remember. Okay. Then total 12,630. Then I take the total. Total is like this. Clear? and difference is 16,110 is called as profit, branch profit. This is branch profit, credit side balance. And you see the second account, goods sent to branch account. Goods sent to branch account. How to prepare this account? You don't go for remembering this account. Only copy the above items. In the branch account, how many goods sent to branch are there? You tell me. In the branch account, you search how many goods sent to branch account are there.
Two.
Both are on debit side, on credit side.
Debit and credit.
Debit and credit. One is on debit. Okay. Another is on credit. You take the debit side on the credit side and credit item to the debit side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Whatever, how many goods sent to branch are there in the branch account, you take to the goods sent to branch account as branch account. As branch account. Okay. You see here. Two branch account 800. This one, credit side. And debit side, you see this. Debit side, goods sent to branch, you write on the credit side as by branch. And credit side, goods sent to branch, you write on the debit side. Close the account, and whatever balance comes, the balance you write as a to trading account. Remember this. This is the only point you remember. Otherwise, all things you copy from the above account. Malin account in copy madri, close madri account, ಏನ್ difference ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ರಿ? To trading account ಅಂತ ಬರ್ರಿ. Goods sent to branch 28,400 debit comes on credit side. Goods sent to branch 800 credit side comes to debit side to branch 800. Close the account, write the balance as to trading account. This is the point, remember. Okay. Next, debtors account. This is the debtors account. In the debtors account, to balance brought down 4,700. Then credit sale, you have to ascertain. Credit sale is 40,400. It is given in the problem. Credit sale 40,400. And buy bank 37,900. 37,900. This is given in the problem. These three items are given in the problem. You muru kottidare. Opening balance, credit sale ಐತಿ, cash collected from debtor set. Then you close the account, ascertain the balance. Balance is 7,200. This 7,200 you take in the branch account. Remember this point. Sare nodi debtors account haki yen balance banute and 7,200 I'll told again. So whenever you prepare the debtors account, you will get three items. Opening balance, then second is cash, third is balance. These three items are required in your branch account. Sare ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಮೂರು ಐಟಮ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಕಿಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಹುಡುಕಿ ಓದ್ ಬರ್ರಿ. This is the point you remember. This is the branch debtors account. Limited items will be given to you people regarding debtors account. Okay. Branch debtors account. Debit side to balance brought down. Credit side by balance carried down. Debit side credit sale. Then close the account. Whatever balance comes, that may be cash. Okay. In this problem, closing balance is not given. Closing balance is not given, therefore we assert in the closing balance. Now you come to the next problem. Problem number 5. From the following information relating to Belgaum branch for the year ending, prepare branch account. They asked to prepare branch account only. What they asked? They asked to prepare branch account. Only one account they asked. Only one account, that is branch account they asked. Okay. You tell me the items coming on the branch account debit side. First is opening is there. Opening stock 1,2000. Branch account debit side. Debtors
Debit side of branch account.
and debit side of branch account. You see here only one account is asked. Remember, branch account only one account asked to prepare. ಒಂದ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಒಂದ ಹಾಕತ್ತಿದಾರು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Okay, one account I will prepare. What happens? I will see. You see this one, branch account. Debit side, debit side. Then goods sent to branch,
Debit side.
debit side. Then gross sales is given. Total sale is given. This total sale will not come in your branch account. Then next is cash sale. Cash sale comes under the
Credit side.
credit side.
Credit side.
Credit side. Okay. Then branch expenses. Branch expense paid by head office.
Debit side.
Debit side.
Debit side to bank. Okay, expense. Then bad debt. Bad debt.
Debit side.
Huh? Branch account, debit side item and credit side I am asking. Bad debt comes in the branch account or not?
Not.
It will
Not.
not comes in the branch account. Okay. Next, furniture purchased by branch with the permission of head office. Furniture is asset. It is purchased during the year. Opening balances are there. Then closing balance. Closing balance you have to take. This is the balance purchased by branch. This is the asset. First balance, debtors, stock are there. Along with that, you have to take the furniture one purchased. Purchase is there, you take in the credit side. Opening balance 0. Okay. 1,000, you take this as a closing balance. Then goods returned to head office. Debit side or credit side branch account? Goods returned to branch. Credit side. Stock. Closing stock, credit side. Debtors, debtors, credit side. Okay. What is not given in the problem regarding the branch account? What is unknown? Debit side 3 items are clear or not? Credit side 3 items are clear or not? Anyone tell me? Are you online? Am I audible? Okay, I think your nets are not interneting connection or there may be a network problem. You see the solution. This is the branch account, particular amount. To balance brought down, stock is there, debtors is there. Okay, stock debtors are there. Then next is second item. Goods sent to branches 86,000. To bank, expense is there. 1,000 rupee expense is there. ₹1,000 expense is there. Debit side item completed. Credit side first item is cash sale is there. Then along with cash sale, one item is required, that is collection. Collection is not given in the problem. Collection amount is not given in the problem. Therefore, you have to prepare debtors account. They asked to prepare branch account only. They asked to prepare branch account only one account, but it is not possible to complete branch account only. It is necessary to prepare debtors account. Only when you prepare debtors account, then you can complete the branch account. Therefore, one item is missing. I'll not take the amount to the outer column. In the outer koila alle kaitinan. Theta. And return is 2,500. Closing balances are like this. Furniture purchase. Furniture is the closing balance. Okay. So total is 41,000. 41,000 total is there. Collection is not given. Therefore, I prepare the debtors account. In the debtors account, two balance brought down. And credit sale. Credit sale, you take the total sale minus cash sale. Total sale minus cash sale is equal to credit sale. Then bad debt is there 500. Closing balance 19,000. Take the total. Take the total and difference is cash collected. 42,100 collection is there. Out of this, you deduct 1,000 asset, furniture given. I deducted 1,000 asset purchased